Hey everybody, this is Mr. Storm. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install, how to get access to and install Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is the software that you will be using for pretty much every assignment for the rest of the class. One thing I do want to highlight though, if you don't have access to a computer that uses Photoshop or that can use Photoshop, for instance, if you're using a Chromebook, you won't be able to use Photoshop. And so there will be a separate video teaching you how to get access to a resource that is close enough to Photoshop to where all the lessons that I teach should be relatively close enough. I think I'm going to make double videos. I'll make a video for Photoshop and a video for this other feature, this other platform for every assignment. But my preference is that you use Photoshop, okay? You can use the other platform if you want, but it's less good than Photoshop. All right. So the first step in getting access to Photoshop is going to adobe.com and then clicking this sign in button over here in the top right-hand corner of the screen. When you do that, then you will be presented with this screen here. Now, for us, we want to continue with Google. Now, here's the reason why. Your Adobe access, your access to the Adobe products is tied to your UMA email address. So if you click continue with Google, you want to choose Enterprise ID. And then once this pops up, oh, it signed me in automatically because I'm already signed into my Google account up here. So it's going to, oh, page isn't available right now. Let me refresh this here real quick. Okay, there we go. So notice that it's already signed me into my Google account. For you, you may have to sign into your Google account and then click that button. Either way. Now notice that I have some recent things that I've created in my Google account. You can say, or in my Adobe account, you have a certain amount of storage. Notice I have 100 gigs worth of storage and I've only used 165 megabytes of it. You have a certain amount of storage that you can use on your Creative Cloud account, which is fantastic. But anyway, now that we're here, now that we're in the Creative Cloud system, notice that Photoshop, which is their flagship product, and it's the one that we're going to be using, it's right there on the home page. You can just click Get App. Now, what's going to happen is it's going to download this application, the Creative Cloud for Desktop application. Now, that application looks like this. Let me pull that up. And it looks like this. And within this application, you can download, again, you want to sign in with your Creative Cloud app. You can download all of the software that you need, including Photoshop. Now, you have access to a lot of stuff. Premiere Pro to edit videos, After Effects to create, digital graphics in your videos. You can make like all kinds of CGI effects. Animate to animate your stuff. Dreamweaver for web development. Prelude. There's all kinds of stuff in here that you can install with your free access to Adobe Cloud. So I'm excited. That's very quickly how you get access to Photoshop. Once you get here to this app, you'll be able to open or download or update your Photoshop as needed. And then this is how you're going to launch Photoshop every time. Now there will be a separate video teaching you how to use Photoshop. I'll probably align that video with your power standard you're working on this week. Now again, this whole video is just to get to Photoshop. If you are using a different platform, meaning you cannot use Photoshop, there will be a video after this one showing you how to get to the other platform that you can use. Okay. Thanks for paying attention. Let me know if you have any questions about this, or if maybe you try to sign in and it doesn't work. Let me know. I can give you access very quickly. Okay. Thanks, and I'll see you later.